And thousands of Oklahomans could soon lose access to critical mental health services.
It comes after the state sent notices to 3 Tulsa County clinics terminating their contracts starting next month. News on 6's Jaden Brannon is live with a closer look at the impact. Jaden?
Dave and Leanne, good morning. Tulsa City Councilor Lori Dector-Wright says Grand Mental Health, Creoaks, and Family and Children Services all received notices saying their contracts would be terminated starting May 10th. She says the letters sent by the Office of Management and Enterprise Services were nearly identical and claimed ending the contracts was in the state's best interest. Grand Mental Health says this decision comes just days after the Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services announced all funding for certified community behavioral health clinics was being frozen. The department announced last week it's working to implement new financial oversight measures for those clinics, citing concerns over transparency and accountability. It said no more funding would be distributed until it gets more insight into their financial standing. Grand Mental Health says this termination could impact more than 53,000 Oklahomans, saying in part, this includes those in our community experiencing homelessness and other underserved Tulsa populations, as well as public school students, law enforcement officials, first responders, community partners, and more. And Grand Mental Health says this could mean closing Tulsa's Urgent Recovery Center and the state's largest residential addiction treatment facility. And Dave, Grand Mental Health says it'll continue operating through May 10th.
Thank you, Jaden. City Councilor Lori Dector-Wright says the only behavioral health clinic in Tulsa County that did not receive a termination notice is Counseling and Recovery Services.